Hello friends, I thought I'd quickly jump on and share with you what came in the mail. This is Paper Pumpkin. Now Paper Pumpkin just turned 6, so we got told that this was kind of a special one. So mine came in yesterday and I thought I would show you what is in here. So here is what we have. We got a free stamp this month. How exciting. How cool, you guys. Look how big these numbers are. And they got these little dots all over. So cool. So we got, I think this is the freebie. And then it also came with this. Today we celebrate you. It's got a little candle. Happy birthday. It's some little confetti and a little hat. How nice. Let's see what's inside. It came with a Poppy Parade ink spot. All right, let me put my box off to the side. How cool. Look at this. How fancy. I'm so excited, you guys. Now, this is worth its money in gold. This comes to your door every month that you're signed up, and it's got everything you need to create the most amazing projects. Now, if you sign up with me, and as long as you're active, I will send 3 alternative projects with the kit. So let's see what we got. Let's move that out. Ooh, look here. Dimensionals, we got some glue dots, we got an adhesive tape. How fancy. That's nice. We got some of these little cutout pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. We got these little flagged pieces, and they got these nice little scalloped edge. So very cool, very cool. Envelopes. They always do fancy stuff with the envelopes. I swear it is so worth its money all day long, you guys. Okay, so they're yellow. They're all yellow. Ooh, no, they're not. See how cool. That one's got little dots. We got some, that's adhesive on it, so it's got to be like a embellishment of some kind. Ooh, this is the fancy pop out. I'd have to look at the instructions, but I don't know. I have to look at the instructions to figure out how to fold this. I don't want to ruin it. And then what else? We got that. Oh, we got so different kinds. You can see they're different. So fun. There's some hats. We got some party hats and bows. So cool. These are cards. This is like a card base. So I'm assuming this will go in here somehow, because this is a pop-out piece. Very cool. We got some banners. Wow, I can't believe it. And then we got all these numbers. And it's, yeah, numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 2 sheets of numbers with these awesome little polka dotty. We got a gray card base. Nice. Very nice. Oh, we got more numbers in little confettis. How cool. And we got 2 of those with the numbers. Ooh, this is so nice. And then we got little banners. Now, Stampin' Up! Always provides a video where they show you how to create all these fancy things. So this kit comes with its 8 card bases. So we can make 8 cards. And look how pretty they are. They're super fancy, you guys. Now, like I say, Stampin' Up! Does provide a video showing you step by step how to put this project kit together. And again, if you subscribe through me for Paper Pumpkin, I will send you 3 alternative projects to create. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by today. I wanted to share this cool Paper Pumpkin kit. I was super excited to get it. I couldn't wait to open it, but I wanted to do it on camera with you guys. So yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope you're going to join me back here tomorrow. We'll see you then. Take care.